Today's story about a button. The button who wanted to be special. Let's start the story. In a small wooden sewing box lived a tiny blue button named Bimbi. Bimbi was round, Bimbi was shiny, but Bimbi felt ordinary. Around her were golden buttons, sparkly buttons, and even heart-shaped buttons. I wish I was special, Bimbi said softly. One day the sewing box opened. A little girl picked up a old teddy bear. Its button eye had fallen off. Oh no, she said, you need a new eye. She searched carefully and her finger stopped at Bimbi. This blue one is perfect. Bimbi felt nervous. Perfect? Me? Soon Bimbi was stitched gently in the teddy bear's face. The teddy bear smiled again. That night, the little girl hugged her teddy tightly. I love you, she said. Bimbi felt warm. For the first time, she understood being special isn't about shining the most. It's about being exactly where you are needed. From that day on, Bimbi didn't wish to different. She was happy being a tiny blue button, once someone's favorite teddy bear. The end.